Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog and here we go again. Andito ang lola nyo. I'm here sa resort. Ito ngayon I'm here in front of the fish pond. Fish pond, then there's another fish pond there. I'm going to plant some of these trees surrounded by this one like this. Ito itatanim ko ito guys. And I don't know where to tanim this one. Magtatanim ako ng trees para naman siya hindi masyadong dry. There you go one, right? Ang ganda ba? Maganda ba guys? Trying hard nga mula. There you go. Try ko lang sample. O, di ba maganda pag may ano diyan. Mula diyan. Aladik amo ti style na tatal sa nga pulo man. I bought some tree. I don't know if this tree. Damat duwa magudwa pa nga taatoy. So this one, if in case I will plant this way, so look great, right? Nagtatrying akong maging farmer, guys, 'di ba? Ang ganda-ganda sana pag ganito. Try ko lang, guys. Kaya sana maganda. Nagtatry na maging farmer. So anyway, I'm a farmer now, 'di ba? See? This is also a fish pond in the future, Hindi ko alam kung sabihin kong fish pond para mas maganda naman. Kung sakaling over na yung tubig sa may pool, the water will flows here. Malinis itong run, tubig na to. And here we're going to plant some of the tree. Uray nga agdadekat, sample lang. So we gonna try this one. Sensya na guys. Kitak lang na niya pag may mayatan na dato'y fish pond nga drainage. Oh, look at that. Huge. Kaslamot la pagpaltog ti taon, guys. But I'm gonna put some here para kung may tsura siya. There. And here. Diba? Maganda ba? Ay, style niyan. Wow! And of course, some more to plant here. Pero, I only put randomly here first kasi hindi pa totally nakaplanto. I'm still planning. Hindi pa sigurado guys na dito na itatanim to. Pero I'm trying to put some of this one para naman may tsura din. Itong lagyanan ng wastewater. Diba? And you can also make some, put some fish dun sa dulo. Kasi hindi lalagyan ito kasi may chlorine, right? But, tinitignan ko lang ano ang maganda. I'm going to plant some cacao also. Maglalagay kami ng cacao. Cacao tree also here. But tomorrow, I'm going to bring some cacao seedlings from my mom's place. Very deep siya, guys. Mano nga mitro datoy. Unag na. 3 meters, guy. Deep 3 meters deep. And ang luwang-luwang, guys. So, it's like, I'm not familiar with those sizes. So, ang plano ko lang, at least, may puno dito. May puno rin dito. Di ba ang ganda pagka may puno, guys? So, yan lang ang plano ng lola nyo. Ito lang ang plano. Oh, see, very huge to put the water. And then we also have here fish pond, guys. Talagang fish pond ang nakalagay ito. We will put some tilapia hito there for fresh. This is a for those people this is my neighbor where they keep their livelihood. Ewan ko kung ano yung nakalagay dyan, pero I'm sure na rice, corn at that side, rice. Ito naman yung fish pan at the back of the villa. Yan ang hall. That's the villas. And of course, there's a future villa as well here. Future pa lang ha guys. Para nasa mga plan ng mga anak ko, and they've been planning to In the future lang naman guys. Hindi naman masama ang magplano guys kasi ang plano is libre. So hopefully we can have another small villa right here to go, or maybe over there. It depende kung saan nakalagay. I think this is the best one para makita ang view ng mountain guys. That's the view. Okay, that's all for today's vlog guys. So I'm going to show you, see that's the design of the plants over there. Ang ganda, right? So hopefully I have to help my cousin to not help, she's helping me now to do all these things. So okay, thank you for watching guys. Hope to see you and stay tuned for the next vlog. See you around. Bye. God bless.